I feel like I'm serving 2022 Wilma Flintstone. Yabba dabba doo, baby. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now we are doing a converti cap look and I will be changing it up just a little bit to give you guys some options, okay? So if you want to see what I do with this wig, make sure you stay tuned. As always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
4 in the morning, you got me up, all cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking, again and again, argue about everything. You are my darling, let's kiss and make up, I know you wanna touch. You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay, we just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone if you tell me.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is from the Converti Cap series. This is the unit Cascade Queen. I got her in the color DR2/Cinnamon Wine, and this unit retails around $20. You can also get this unit in different colors, so if you want to check those out, you definitely can. Now, I could have worn this unit straight out the pack, you know, as a little headband wig, or maybe like a half up, half down joint, but I already did that, and it's a little redundant. So I wanted to try the actual ponytail look for this wig. Because it is a Converti cap, it does come with a drawstring, so you can wear this unit as an actual ponytail if you tighten down the drawstring. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So the hair has been sitting for about 20 minutes and now we're going to go ahead and style her up. I actually could have put a part in this unit, but because I'm doing like a little bang situation, I didn't feel like doing all that. So I'm gonna leave her how she is. Okay, so this is how that color is looking. You guys saw I already fluffed her out. Like I said, I'm wearing her as a drawstring, so I'm just gonna, I guess I just gotta tighten it down like that. That's as tight as it gets. It don't get tighter than that. Uh-oh. I still have all this space in here like that, so hopefully this will work out. Okay, so I'm just gonna sit this right on the top of my head like that. Use the comb in the front and the comb in the back like that. She not bad with this little look right here, but you know, I can do better. It's not tight in the back, so in order to get an actual ponytail look, you gotta, like, you know, play with it a little bit. So I'm just pulling this tight like this because you have all this excess right here. The ponytail that does not, you know, because it does not get tight. I'm gonna make it tight. Take a bobby pin and bobby pin it together. Already a lot tighter. Now I want a swoop bang. So I need to gather some hair from the side of my swoop, which will be this one, and some of the hair from over here. So I wanna make sure it's full. Hold up, let's pin this up. Take some hair from the back. It's gonna be that. Okay. And I'm going to swoop it over like this. Okay. To make a tight down ponytail. Bring it back around. Okay, and your bobby pin right there. Fluff it up a little bit. She on there, cool. Now I need to get my bang situated. So the bang needs to be kind of swooped. Matter of fact, let me just get this hair out the way first. Let me get you out the way. Put a little bit of my holding spray. Brush that. Smooth it out. I mean, it could be a bang. So that's how that's looking. So I'm just gonna bobby pin that right there. Right there. I could like pin this up like this. Ooh, that's actually kind of cute. Let me wet this down a little bit because it's a little frizzy. I can't get this daggone swoop to sit. I can't get this daggone swoop to sit for nothing. I keep messing with it. I need to leave it alone. Instead of doing the swoop, I'm just gonna pin the bang up here like this. Yep, and it's gonna have it fall like that. So some short pieces in the front and then go a little bit longer. That's it. Anything for the look, okay? Make sure my ponytail is straight. Use a little bit of my EBIN hairspray. This spray ain't just for laying down the lace, ladies. And Gary, okay, and Gary, because I know he gonna be like, me too. I'm about to spray it in my daggone face. Goodness gracious. So I make sure it's sitting in place where I need her to sit. Like this. And do a little bit of water. Just make sure my curls are a little bit more defined in the front. Hold up, face is a little shiny. I use a new setting spray, well, a fixing spray. It's dewy. Nah, I shouldn't have did that. I thought I wanted that look, I don't. Okay, so what am I thinking? I think a natural color would have done me more justice just for this style, because I feel like you can see the frizziness of this color a lot more. Now, this one does come with the black roots, so you can definitely blend it in if you do a headband wig or a half up, half down style. But because of how I styled it, you don't see the black roots except for like, you know, up here. I think the end result is cuter than I expected. Because y'all saw me having a little bit of trouble. The drawstring on the ponytail, I could have sworn it was a lot tighter than what this one was. But again, I wanted to try something a little different, and I'm glad that I did. Hold up, Cindy is in my eye, hold up. So y'all tell me down below how I did with styling this unit outside the box. Again, this was something different. I wanted to try it for this wig, for this color, and I'm glad that I did. Okay, so don't come with the hate. If you're on the hate train, go ahead and keep on rolling. This is not your stop, okay? But if you want to give some suggestions, let me know down below. Side profile is looking, you know, it's looking cute. If I did like some little pins around this joint, you know, like that or whatever, that might be kind of cute. Hold up. I ain't even think about that. Let me see if I can get them. Can I snap it? If I had a burgundy braid to kind of go around this, that would have been cute. This is a, what, a $20 something wig. The hair texture lets you know that it's a $20 wig, okay? So don't be expecting, you know, bundles. It may be giving the bundle look, but it's not giving the bundle texture, okay? That's what I'm saying. The ponytail is actually pretty cute with this curl and this height and this fullness. It's just the size of the ponytail, you know, is real big. So, you know, you gotta work with that and, you know, bobby pin it in place and make sure it's secure. Like this one is secure, it's not going nowhere. And I feel like I'm serving 2022 Wilma Flintstone. You hear me? Okay, where's Fred? Yabba dabba doo, baby. But yeah, it kind of works. So maybe in my eye confusion, I'm not really seeing what exactly, you know, what this is, but I'm okay with that. Okay, I'm okay with that. I don't want to put my glasses on. I don't want to see what y'all see. I want to see this. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.